Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video. I haven't posted a tutorial in a while, and it's because I've been really like knee deep in finishing my studio. So I finished painting, I built some bookcases, and now I'm really just unpacking 4.5 months after I moved in. And it's taking forever. The room is a hot mess, but it's slowly coming together. If you're part of my bead group on Facebook, you'll see some teasers, but hopefully some point this year I'll be able to do a studio tour. So I've posted some unboxings. I'm actually behind. I have them filmed. I just haven't been posting them. And so I actually have one from Bead Box Bargains that I haven't posted that's like 2, maybe 3 weeks old, but I just got a new order from them in the mail. So I don't know, maybe I'll combine them. Maybe I'll just post that one first and then this one right away after. Who knows? Anyway, they always send something free with their business card. So we have some cute little charms for snowflakes, Christmas, winter. Okay. I kind of just bought stuff. I don't remember what it was. I knew that I really wanted another set of these from the Bargain Bead Box monthly subscription. These are those frosted cherry beads. I just love that color. It's such a nice pink. So anyway, and then they had some like nice gemstone pendants. So I think this one's lapis. I'll have to go through. I have the packing slip. The thing is, I usually get too much from them, so it's hard to find everything on the packing slip right while I'm unboxing it. Yeah, this is a lapis pendant. It's really pretty. I don't know if you can see that, but there's there's some gold flecks throughout the pyrite. Really pretty. I think that's really nice. I think I did put this right in my cart right away. I think I also got in a couple different colors, and I think the tiger eye one was the one that I didn't put in my cart right away, but I ended up buying anyway. I got the same thing in amethyst. I don't know if they still have these. I purchased these on the 29th. Today is February 4th. So this is really pretty. This would look really nice with those points that I got from, was it Vin Sweat? I think. Sorry for my dry hands. It's fabric product of me working my fingers to the bone in this room. So yeah, this one's really pretty. Let me see how much these were. These were $3.99, and then you get the 30% off coupon. So 30% off of $3.99. That's not bad. I thought that was really cute. Good deal. I mean, we've got some feather charms. Those are kind of cool. Some briolette crystals. I don't really usually buy briolette crystals, but so I did that video for Jesse James Beads, and I used the briolette crystals on a stranded necklace, and I loved it. So probably gonna see a lot more briolette crystals, or top drilled crystals, whatever you want to call them. These are really pretty. I bought 2 packs. So sparkly. My favorite color. It's turquoise. So not only have I been unpacking and getting new furniture put in and painting, I moved the furniture that was, the big table that I had in my bead room. Like, you guys wouldn't know where it was unless you watched that one live. It was in the center of the room, but it was taking up so much room, and now I just have so much more room for activities in here. It's nice. Those of you who have seen the movie that I just quoted, I hope you liked it. This is, I don't know, is this Amazonite? I'll have to look it up. I think it's really pretty. Just a cute little focal. Couple of pendants. I don't think I have these. I have something very similar. I just thought this was pretty cool. You can change that up however you'd like. Those would be neat necklace or earrings. Okay, so you know me, I always get my clasps. Goodness. But these were hearts, and we have Valentine's Day coming up, so I couldn't pass up the hearts. They're so cute. I love those, and a little cupid arrow to close it off on this side of the toggle. So cool. Got what, 3 sets of those. They're probably $1. Yeah, 3 sets of 8, $1.19 plus 30% off of that. So they're like free, right? I bought these apple crystals because the earrings that I made featuring those leaves, those double, here they are, double check leaf earrings that I made. I wanted the crystal up here to not have the AB. I mean, it turned out really great. I really love it. But I was looking for crystals that didn't have AB, and guess who didn't have them? Also, I don't know where my green crystals are, but they're not in the green crystal drawer, and I'm very upset. So I know I have tons of green crystals somewhere, but they haven't been unpacked yet. And my crystals need to be reorganized anyway because they're all just loose and a hot mess. I got 2 sets of these focals. I think these are really cool. I'll just put these in my like tribal drawer. I have like all the African stuff. I kind of put that stuff all in the same drawer. I think these would go really well with everything in that drawer. I just look at, like, there's so many different textures. It's got the ripple like wave pattern in there, and then it's like dimpled, and then it's got the different, you know, patina with the bronze. Oh, these are really cool. So neat. And looks like I got I didn't even remember buying this. A little lapis one. Very cute. My goal is right after this video is finished to put everything away. Because I'm overwhelmed. There's so much on my desk right now. Like, most things have been put away, I should say. But the desk is a hot stinking mess. Hot sticky mess. Okay, these are gorgeous. They're like little hematite roses. Should have gotten more. They're so cool. Now the thing is, every time I do an unboxing, or every time I edit one of my unboxings from Bead Box Bargains, I end up going back and buying more because I'm like, oh, that was really cool. I need another one. You guys, I need to be put in spending freeze jail. So here's the one that I didn't buy right away, and then I was like, oh, okay, we'll add it. Oh, it looks nice. A nice tiger eye pendant. Sorry, I know you guys, some of you don't like that ring, but, you know, for us to be able to see the projects, it's a necessary evil. Eventually I'll find a different setup because I'm not super happy with the setup I have right now, but it works for now. More crystal briolettes. Top drilled crystal. They're not really, I don't know. If it's top drilled, is it also a briolette, or is it just that shape that's like a teardrop that's briolette? I'll have to Google that. Because I always usually end up calling something that looks like this a briolette, but it could be just that specific shape. Some little heart charms. Got these again because Valentine's Day is coming up. Saturday, today's Thursday. Saturday I will be posting, I don't know what time, probably late in the day because that's usually what I do, a Valentine's Day blitz. Very excited about that. I've already picked out some things, but I'll probably keep that on my table for that. Some more charms. Very cool. Very tribal. And you guessed it, some Czech leaves. I just reorganized some of my Czech beads into clear drawer organizers. If you were in my group, one of the members, Lynn, posted these clear drawers that she has. And then I also saw another artist who used them. I was like, okay, I gotta get these drawers. Like, I'm so easily influenced, it's ridiculous. But I really liked them, and I got 3 of them to put my Czech beads in. But now I realized I don't really have enough Czech beads to fill it up, except for the ones, maybe there's some in my regular bead drawers, but I don't really want to go through those and pull out all the Czech beads. So I gotta fill it up eventually. Look at this, Sodalite leaf. I should have gotten 2 of these. This was $6, and then it was 30% off. So cool. This is so beautiful. That was one of my favorite things from this so far. And then I bought some crystals in my favorite finish. Well, this isn't really the vitriol finish. This is like an iris, but it's so pretty. These like diamond disco balls. I just love those. Jesse James Beads uses these too. These are so pretty. Can we just take a moment? Look at all that sparkle. That makes me so happy. And then these are pretty too. It's not my favorite finish, but I was like, okay, I'll get them. They're that green and purple. Let's see. Oh, I got more of my matte vitriol, like that mystic coated irisy color, because I can't not buy them for some reason. Like every time I see them, I'm like, nope, need more, even though I never really use them. But these are really cool. These actually have more yellow on them than normal, but I love that purple side. I think you guys are really, 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 really going to love the rest of February from me. I know I've started out slow. It's the 4th day and I haven't even posted a new video. But I think you guys are going to be super excited for the rest of this month for the videos that I'm going to be posting. I don't want to give too much away right now, but stay tuned. Believe me, you're going to have fun. Sorry, I'm looking for this item on my sheet because... Yep, 14 inch strand of 7 to 8 millimeter Sunstone and Moonstone round beads. So if you watched that friend mail from Donna, she sent me those Sunstone beads and now I'm obsessed. And these were on the website, so I grabbed them. They were $5.99 and then 30% off with if you're a member of their bead box monthly. These aren't as spectacular as the beads that Donna sent. I don't know why there's hair on here, but they're gorgeous. Some of them have that glow and some of them have that gold shimmer too. Oh gosh, these are so beautiful. I can use these in conjunction with the ones that she sent if I can ever make myself use them. That's the big if, right? And then, I forgot about these. This is 10 millimeter multi moonstone round beads. So I wonder what the difference between moonstone and sunstone is. I'll have to look that up. I don't really know. These aren't glowy, and this one's glowy right here. This one right here. He has a little flash. They aren't as glowy as the sunstone. But this one right here also has a little bit of flash too. So there's got to be some kind of... I'll look it up. These aren't obviously as high quality as the moonstone the sunstone that Donna sent, but they're still gorgeous. Next, I have a few strands of Czech beads, and then we're finished. So I got these really cool looking blue ones. They have a Picasso on them. I don't know if you can tell that that's blue, but it's a really dark, like cobalt. I got these hearts, table cut hearts. I'm a sucker for hearts. And then I got these table cut, or what did they call them? Fire polished round window beads, chalk white and light red. I hadn't seen anything like that, so I was like, okay, let's grab those. And then I was so excited that these came back because I missed out on them the first time around, and I wanted to cry. I couldn't believe that somebody bought these and I didn't get my hands on them. So I was so excited I had to get 2 strands. Yeah, we're going to be making something in our Blitz video with these for sure. So anyway, that was pretty fun. I think my favorite items are obviously the turquoise hearts. That feather, where'd the feather go? Here he is. This feather, these hematite roses, and gotta say the moonstone and the sunstone. So, ooh, those look yummy together. So, and I did see on the shipping label or packing slip that these are called briolettes. So that I answered my own question, I guess. So anyway, tell me, what was your favorite? I'm gonna post this video right after posting my other haul from Fire Mountain, not Fire Mountain, my other haul from Bead Box Bargains. So I'm sorry if you're seeing 2 hauls right in a row. It's kind of how the cookie crumbled this time. But stay tuned, because Saturday I will be posting the Blitz, like probably Saturday night, and I'm in Mountain Standard Time right now, so you know, it'll be later. Stay tuned for Goldie. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're not a member of my group yet, please join. We'd love to have you. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye.